Welcome to Rena MoMoney Plus videos. I'm Rena MoMoney, and today we will be talking about how to skip trace for free and also how to skip trace for cheap. You ask, what is skip tracing? Skip tracing is finding someone's information. We all know that skip tracing can be time-consuming and aggravating. But I have a few skip tracing techniques and a few sites that will help you to get somebody's information easier, free, and cheap. If you want to get mentioned in the next Rena MoMoney video, please subscribe now, because I randomly select subscribers to mention on the next video. So let's jump right in. So once you have identified and you've located the address, then you want to skip trace the owner. One free way of skip tracing is TruePeopleSearch.com. TruePeopleSearch.com is free. You want to use TruePeopleSearch.com. Another free website is FastPeopleSearch.com. Now, we all know that you get what you pay for. Yes, free is great. Cheap is good. If you pay a little more, you get a little more. And that's going to be key as well. BeenVerified.com is another way of skip tracing. But here's the thing. It's not free, but it's cheap. BeenVerified.com. You can also use Fiverr.com, and get someone on Fiverr that's probably using it as their side hustle to skip trace for you. NetAura Online. They can do it by the county, or you can have it done by the county through NetAura Online. Check that out. You want to keep that on your browser because you'll probably use that a lot. Another one that's pretty reasonable, but again, like I said, you get what you pay for. Trulio, TLO.com. That's another great site that you can do skip tracing, TLO.com. So if I've helped you, and if so far you're getting some good information, please take time out, subscribe if you haven't already, subscribe now, press the like button, and matter of fact, comment and let me know which skip tracing services you're going to use, or which skip tracing service you think that I used and it's probably the best. So again, like, subscribe if you haven't already. If I've helped you in any way, please do so. So those are some free and cheap sites that you can get some skip tracing done. So again, you want to identify, skip trace, cold call, make an appointment, close on the deal. That's the way to make more money. If you need further assistance and you just need that one-on-one, I will be doing one-on-one coaching. So please look at the link below so that you can schedule your one-on-one call with Rena MoMoney. Thanks again. Thanks for stopping in. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be more information and jam-packed with stuff that can help you become a better you. Click and subscribe. Rena MoMoney.